Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily make your Windows 11 computer or notebook you got discoverable by other computers, so other PCs, let's say. So how you can make Windows 11 PC discoverable by other PCs. What you can do is go to search and then write control panel and then click here control panel. And when you're going to be here, you want to click on one thing, and that's network and internet. Then you want to click on network and sharing center, and then change advanced sharing settings. And then you would have like, when you're going to click on it, you're going to see a few things here. So first thing first, you're going to be the turn on network discovery. You want to have like turned on, and then you can turn on also the printer sharing if you want to. So this is pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.